Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, let's take a look at the turnaround and bulls taking control of Nvidia stock. And technically I should say not just Nvidia, all semiconductors are from yesterday after Oracle's earnings are just going to the moon. AMD, ARM, Broadcom to name some few here. And definitely those are part of my daily Patreon coverage. So my members were already prepared and aware about all those stocks as what moves are happening. Anyways, in this video, we'll take a look at what is the price action telling us on Nvidia. I'll focus on Nvidia. I'll show around other stocks as well, but focus will be on Nvidia only primarily. And then also we'll take a little bit over the articles as well. Okay, with that, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So let's talk about the price action first because price action gave us the early telltale signs already. Okay. Now, we were bearish from $180 all the way down till these zones. And I have done a videos on my here public channel as well, even though I talk with the members daily on my Patreon. But until here, we were bearish and that was a short play. All right. However, in those videos as well here that I did on the public channel as well, I mentioned that this is the zone. If we can get above 171 and 172 without much further breaking below, and as I said, if you are a member on my Patreon, I gave all the early telltale signs that there's rebounds building up, and then thereafter, this you were also aware about it, I guess. And then yesterday we did have a pivot, but the final confirmation came in the post market yesterday when we started to regain that very yellow zone 171 to 172. And I mentioned to my members that just play it bullish now. It's just a bullish play, right? If you took a short play from $180, I have also said this is where your hard stop loss has to be. If you are already sizing in and out the position, that's great, but hard stop loss has to be here on the short because above this, it's a turnaround bullish play. And look at this beauty on Nvidia turning around, going really strong to the moon. And at this point, yes, structure has changed. Even though I would say definitely, as I always say, like size in and out the position, take partial profits and the extensions and all that good stuff, as long as you know where to do that. How to do it? Well, you need to be a member on my Patreon to learn all of that. Now, so from here on, anything on Nvidia is just bullish even through the pullbacks, though I don't want to see it lose like 175 and 70 cents. But until then, we are just fine. Nvidia is just in the bullish structure. That was the zone, and Nvidia did that. Okay, now you can thank Oracle as well, part two, helping it as in a catalyst to show a really strong move. So let's go to Oracle for a while. Now, I'm not going to talk price action here on Oracle. Definitely says very strong gap up. But what I want to take you over is how it affects NVIDIA and definitely other semiconductors. So there's an article here very nicely put together that focuses on NVIDIA. And that is NVIDIA, or among many other semiconductors as well, Nvidia, one of them, looked to be benefiting from the confident outlook on artificial intelligence investment from cloud computing company Oracle. The gain was broadly in line with other AI exposed stocks after Oracle said it finished its August quarter with 455 billion in total remaining performance obligations or contracted revenue it expects to collect, up more than fourfold from the same quarter a year earlier. And then they go on to say that that rise was largely attributable to major deals for computing infrastructure to support AI technology, which should mean continued heavy spending on processors from the likes of Nvidia, among other chip makers like AMD, Broadcom, and so on. Now, so yes, that's a bit of a catalyst that helped it to push without delay, but that where was the technical confirmation that it needs to be looked for a bullish play, and that's what we are getting. Now, I just want to quickly show you AMD as well, though I'm not going to talk in too much detail. AMD gapped up a little bit, selling off, but I'll talk in maybe another video, or I'll talk with the members for sure. ARM is one of our another play. It didn't turn into a play today, but it's already been in a play for us for a few days, and I have talked with the members. This also is our regular coverage, which is doing great. Broadcom is also doing great. It's also our regular coverage, and we technically have been in play on Broadcom on my Patreon from here on around. So we are already like good 100% gains also on this one. So, anyways, um, that's a bit of the market looking like. Definitely Oracle really helping. In the catalyst, and yeah, many of them has also turned around the structure there. Just quickly taking a look at the S&P 500 as well before wrapping up, and yeah, we are pretty much at a new all-time highs today on S&P 500 as well. Market is definitely doing unstoppable performance here, like a new all-time highs, right? And Nasdaq 100 teased the new all-time highs, so it's a little bit right now below its all-time highs tested, but hey, technically it's still bullish. Market is still bullish. um, Anyways, that's all what I had for you guys in this video. Now let's get back to Nvidia, because where can we go on Nvidia in this bullish structure that we are in? So technically we do have a gap below, but as I said, structure is bullish. Let's get to the hourly interval again, and we can, I did mention until 175 not too worried even if a pullback happens, though I don't want to see that pullback, but we'll be fine even until 175 zone from where we are at this point. And how high can we continue? Well, definitely it's possibility that we'll test this 185 again. And is it going to break out this week itself? Well, we only have 2 days left. I doubt that we might see an all-time highs breakout this week. I do think I want to see more price action here, not just a day after Oracle, but is it going to go a gap fill, do a little bit of a pullback, or so, but yeah, so far so good. 175 above, and well, technically 171 above, we turned bullish, and we are already in the play from there, right? It's just that if pullback happens, but or if we continue, even I do expect, yes, 185 is a possibility, very high possibility, but breaking to new all-time highs, not yet. I would like to see more price action in the strength, and then we'll see. I do expect it will a little bit slow down here, 185 around. So we'll see what happens. I'll talk definitely on my Patreon, and if you're interested in all those things, my stocks coverage, my tools, everything, details are in the description of this video. There are Patreon links. Check out the details over there if you're interested. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.